Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another episode of Life with Spike. We're packed up. We're pretty much ready to go. We got everything in the van. Last night, if you didn't see yesterday's video, that's when I did everything. It's kind of weird to think that when we got here, the water was literally up to here. No, up to here. Like, my foot would have been in the water 2 weeks ago exactly. That's how much the water's been down since I've gotten here. Because the boat was getting stuck on that rock every time I push in and out. And I had the rope literally right up in here, tied up to the picnic table. So it's super crazy that now you get to walk out here. And if you come out here in exactly a month, it'll be like way out there. Crazy to think that. I'm tempted to come back out here with the kayak and go explore because a lot of the stumps will be sticking out of the ground, and I noticed a couple of the stumps out there had lures in them, so you could literally just walk up to it and pull it out of the stump, because obviously those fishermen had to snip and lose their fancy lure. So we could go collect a bunch of fishing gear, maybe a little bit later. It'll be cold, but as long as you got your life jacket, some warm pants, and some long john, should be good to go. But yeah, checked my air pressure in the tires. We're seeming to be good to go. We got a few things to do today. Got laundry. We're gonna stop at Princess Auto. We're gonna pick up a tire, and we've got a few other things to do. Some grocery shopping. Buy a few things, and yeah, we're gonna head off to the new lake. The new lake is gonna be awesome because I've fished there only a few years now, but the lake has 10-pound rainbows. Man, 10-pound rainbows sound amazing. I've never seen one, and the last time I was there, I think the biggest fish that was caught was 26 inches or something like that. No, I think it was 24 inches. And that was almost like a 3-pound fish. So we're going to go back there and we're going to go for our 5-pound rainbow. Yeah, that sounds amazing. The only thing that sucks about it is it's a bait ban. So you have to use flies. So we got flies, so we're good to go. All right, guys, let's take off. We're going to head off into the next location. We'll see you guys there. We made it back to the family house. Here's my kitty. Hi, Trip. Hey, buddy. Hi. Did you miss me? You mad at me? I left you? You're spoiled, though. Yeah. Extension cord's not long enough, so I gotta go find one. Yeah, so we're sitting at 67%. 177 amp hours still drawn. I woke up this morning. It was 242 amp hour drawn. So we've charged it quite a bit, but while we got power, we might as well charge it up. Especially since today's super overcast. Alright. Let's go find a charging cable. Let's go find a charging cable for the van. Boom. Now we have another device on the list, which we don't see very often. We're pulling in almost 4 amps plus 2 amps, almost 6 amps on solar. Nice. Okay. That should be good for a couple hours. I'm going to wash my blanket, grab a few things, and then we'll be back on the road. We just stopped, make a cup of tea. We're still at the grocery store. Got gas and propane, and then we're gonna hit the road. Shouldn't be much more than an hour and a half to get there. And then hopefully get a good spot with some sun, because that's what we really need right now, is a lot of sun to charge the solar panels, because that's what I rely on. Otherwise I gotta rely on the generator, which I don't really want to, but it's there in case I do. Alright, got my bananas. Oh man, I forgot hash browns. Oh well, I got other stuff to eat. It's not like I'm running low on food that I need to add one more thing on there. Oh well, my fridge is pretty packed. My fridge is full, and I've got to throw one thing in the freezer when I get to the campsite. That's a problem for later. Yeah, 4:23. So that's it. Alright guys, we'll see you guys down the road. feet. Come on, baby. You can do it. Oh, you cooled down a little bit. Good girl. It is a little cool down here. It is a little cooler up here, that's for sure. It's definitely dropped like 5 degrees. Come on, girl. I'm gonna have to make a nice dramatic video. Did I make it up the hill? Or did I fail? It's starting to cool down though. Good girl. Great job. How's that for cool down?
on Paradise Lake Forest Service Road for 7 kilometers.
So cool to see some wildlife. I was hoping to see something on my way in town from Sugar Lake, but not a peep, nothing, nada. Oh well. So it's nice to see some deer, some black-tailed deer. That's pretty cool. Right here.
In 300 meters, turn left.
That's paradise. Now we're on dirt road. So this is the only dirt road we get to see. And then we're pretty much at the lake. Here we go.
You have arrived.
Hello.
Hello. We arrived at the campsite, got the spot I wanted. I just ended up recording the first me pulling in the campsite and then me parking the van, and that was it. I stopped recording. I just threw the boat in the water, got it all and then it just got really dark. And when it gets dark like that, it's really hard to record. So I just said, screw it. I'll finish up the night in the van. And tonight we're having farmer sausage for dinner. So I'm just cutting it up because I don't have a big enough pot to boil these in. So basically you just boil them for 20 minutes or so and then fry them up in the frying pan, and they're so good. I'm just gonna take a couple of these. Well, actually I'm just gonna chop them up right now into 4. I'm a pot of boiling water. Yum. And those will be done in like 20-25 minutes. Those of you who don't know, this is a vinegar mix, 1/3 vinegar, 2/3 water, and basically it's a disinfectant, and it's basically how hikers do their dishes. Or people that don't have water. I also have Lysol disinfectant. Most times I do deal with meat. Extra precautious. Clean all my surfaces. Untouched meat. And we're good. got my little desk space set up. Just a cushion here, cushion there, prop this up. It's a little wobbly, but it works. Cut steaks on there, do a bunch of stuff, eat dinner. I can even pull the TV out. Let's watch some TV while we wait for dinner to cook. Boom. Watch some not 90s show with Red. Alright guys. Alright, and pause it so I don't get copyright infringement. I'm gonna wait for my dinner to cook, watch my TV show, hang out. It's a little chilly out there. I can literally see my breath. My thermometer says it's 0 degrees, but I know it's wrong. It's probably like +2 or +4 degrees out there, but it's cold. I was gonna go pull out the reels and start threading for fly fishing, but I figure I'll do that in the morning when I can actually see. I don't have a light for my cargo box on top of the roof, but that's it for today, guys. Hopefully catch myself a big fish. Stay tuned. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the like button on the video. That's very important so it gets into the YouTube algorithm. Peace out, guys. See you guys in the next one.